Make a great choice today with the 2019 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, rear spoiler, power lift gate. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.